Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 14 by 14 inch canvas, and I'm going to spread some medium black paint as a base layer for my swipe. I'm going to use some Amsterdam black and Australian Floetrol cell activator, but first I'm going to use some Anita's white metallic. And then some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Oh, that's the stuff with the Colourarte purely pigments in it. It's Holly Berry added. And I think a little Dancing Fuschia too, now that I mention it. And I'm contemplating just doing these few colors, but I haven't completely made up my mind. That's the Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. I think I still want some purple. I still want my colors, basically. I'm going to use a little deep amethyst. And some silver before I get too far along. It's a Decoart Americana. It's a Decoart silver. What did I not use? I had Chrysocolla. I want some silver leaf, which is another Colourarte color. I didn't use any Dancing Fuschia last time, and I kind of want to, but I think I want Periwinkle first. I could wait on the Dancing Fuschia for a little while, but I think I'm going to just throw caution to the winds. You know what? Right after I put some Midnight Shadow in. Alright, here goes nothing. I thought about some orange too. I'm not done thinking about it either. Maybe just a little, if I don't like the way it looks. I'm going to use saffron. Maybe I still want orange. Or, let's do something weird. I got to shake this pink carnation, because I know it can be a problem. Strange color combinations sometimes turn out way better than anticipated. I'm liking the look of this. I could leave it like it is and call it a good painting. I didn't put any blue in there, but I think I'm done for the moment. So let's use some cell activator. I had other purples in mind too, but hopefully my dish is still wet enough. So I've got a card made of acetate. My bottle in my way. And I need a scrape dish that I had handy. Just temporarily gone somewhere else. Seems to be plenty of wet paint. I wanted to use some more negative space, and I'm not done thinking that yet. It really depends on if I can find a small swipe card other than what would be easily accessible, which is a playing card. Actually, I've got this card that has an angle on it, and I haven't tried it in literally years. So let's try that. Going to scrape it right off on the edge. I really want a skinny card, and if I have scissors handy, I might cut one. To a smaller shape. I'm going to cut one. Excuse me. Okay, there are my cards. One with a paint chip, one without. Now, a lot of times I'll run something through to create some more levels and break up the hard line in between. And I like doing that, so I'm going to do it again. Just going to keep scraping up cell activator. I might put another color in here. Definitely going to do something right here. When I leave paint unswiped, a lot of times I like to add spirals. Just that one last section, and it looks like I'd be able to use my card pretty easily. Get the paint chips off my finger. I want some more pink carnation. Right there. Probably want a little saffron too. Going to apply my, actually, you know what, I'm going to get rid of this paint first. Most of it anyway. Come on out, I know you're in there. Just a little pressure. I've got paint on my cards and paint in my dish. And I want to do things in an unusual way. I've got a bubble. Where's my skewer? Use a skewer with a paintball on the end. Actually, let's just use anything with a paintball on the end. I'm going to resist the spirals. Go with some waggles. This is maybe not the best tool. It's not moving very easily. So I'm going to try and find something better. This is maybe a little better. I guess one spiral won't hurt anything. It just seems so appropriate. I can't help it. Maybe a couple. That one just wanted to happen all on its own. Well, I like this. And I succumbed. Oh well. I do love spirals, so what can I say? I have no excuse other than affection for spirals. And they're all different. And I'm going to torch and call it good. I wish I'd turned the last light on in my studio. That's right there. And I do like the multiple drag marks that look like pleats. So I'm probably going to start doing more of those. Because they look organic, and I like organic. Alright, that's it. It's getting dark. It's the second to shortest day of the year. Sorry, that one just looked wrong. And that one looks right now. It didn't a moment ago. I don't know if this is a good idea or not, but I'll try it. That looks pretty sharp from up here. Glad I put that silver in there. There are some absolutely stunning cells in there. Let's have a little zoom in. That's as good as it needs to be for right now. Gorgeous cells. I like the colors too. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.